the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal.
There's anybody in here? It is a realtor coming in the building right now. Make yourself known. It's the yell out I get to do every time I come in a building like this. Wide open spaces. So some drywall finish, some flooring finish, obviously. Electrical. Looks like some of the plumbing has been done already. Make a heck of a showroom. I guess somebody else could finish it off. Have some great ideas for what actually happens here. Wow, this is lovely. This would be a great house, huh? Love big wide open spaces. Kind of nice. This is a clean space to just kind of create whatever someone might want to create. God, I love a dog, you know? I mean, not even a dog. I just love anything where you can come in, make it your own, do the thing that does all the things, and create a space that really works, you know? I imagine this, I mean, obviously it's a commercial space, but if somebody wanted to, they sure could create a situation where, you know, this could also be a pretty killer home, right? You're like, yeah, I live a little bit off the main road, but I've got plenty of room to do whatever I want, and then you could heat it during the winter, which would be a thing. And speaking of heat, I don't see there's no insulation in yet, so that is a thing too. But I think this property, I've got to pull comps and see where they come out at, but I think that it's basically 12,000 square feet of a lot of renovation for like 300. And there appears to be, yes, the basement, the dreaded basement, where if somebody's down here, I'm coming down, you need to announce yourself. All right, this is dark as hell, so I'm gonna have to go off camera with a flashlight. Or I guess I could just stay on camera with a flashlight. Alrighty. And some water over there. I suppose for this many years vacant, it would be here. This is obviously the original structures. Basement. I'm not gonna go too far over there right now. I'll deal with that later. But yeah, there's definitely a fair amount of space here. Here we go, front view again. And then you can look over here where I zoom in too far. Kind of sucks, they blew through two of these or all of these windows on these doors, because, you know, gotta have idiots. Nice little covered porch. All right, so that's that at this building here. I would say Banksville, Overbrook area, and has some potential for something pretty good to go on here. See you next time.